I'm Georg Juelke and I'm a consultant with MSG Systems. Today I would like to give you an idea how we learn to make better use of our unstructured data and how you can do the same. 80% of all data is unstructured, and that number will only increase in the near future. Emails, documents, web pages, a vast continuous stream of data. In many organizations across various industries, professional services, staffing, public services, logistics, a significant portion of that unstructured data is used for operational purposes. For example, sales orders, request for proposals, request for services, or, as it is in our industry, request for talent or skills. In fact, many companies are specifically designed along business domains and according to the ability to process and respond to such unstructured data. Humans are very good at processing language. Producing and understanding complex language-based information is a defining feature of our species. It is what we do. And until recently, we were considerably better at it than machines. However, there are limits to it. We can process language-based information only in a sequential order, one document at a time. We are simply lacking the processing power to analyze large text collections simultaneously and comprehensively. With every email, with every request, clients, entire industries are telling us a story. They articulate their needs, their challenges, their purchasing habits, and even the strategies they are pursuing, all in direct correlation to the services or products that we offer them. How can we decipher the complete story that clients and markets are trying to tell us? How can we understand them better, even anticipate their needs? In short, how can we take the torrent of unstructured data scattered across our organization and convert it into actionable insights? Insights that guide both our operational response on the supply side and our strategic adjustments to changing market conditions. The solution that we built and that we will showcase in October at the German-French conference about the application of artificial intelligence in Karlsruhe uses a combination of AI approaches. Natural language processing for text understanding, knowledge representation to transfer human experience and expertise into a learning system, and machine learning for a range of classifications. Blend together, they turn a huge quantity of unstructured data into valuable insights that until today was mostly discarded after serving its operational purpose. I'm looking forward to sharing that experience with you.